We are far away but connected in humanity. That's true. When you remove all the things that we're wearing, when you remove gender, political stuff, when you remove the race, everything, who eats what, who walks like this or like that, even in human design, like uniqueness is rewarded, and sovereignty and authenticity and our differences is what makes us learn from each other. The big problem is that we all want to be sort of accepted and to fit in, and that's twisted in a way that you need to be like everyone else to fit in. But if we just realize that no two beings are the same, and trying to make them the same and mold them the same, that's not the way to go. So yeah, humanity, even above humanity, I love to go I love to go one step above and say like life, like we are connected in life. Like even the dog next to you is not human, he's not in humanity, but he's your bro in life. And the trees outside are like your life fellows, and the butterflies and everything. So like even on that level, and even Earth is like this pulsating entity that has little creatures running on it, and under there it's like mycelium and everything. Yeah, but I definitely get what you mean. I definitely get what you mean. And when you give to someone else, you give to yourself. When you treat when you say something, when you say I love you to somebody, the words I love you need to pass through your throat and through your body and go out. And before they go out, the words I love you need to be generated inside of you. So when you say I love you to somebody, that medicine needs to go through your own body first before it goes out. And then in the same way, when you say fuck you to somebody, that fuck you needs to be generated inside of you first before you can spit it out. And then in order for you to spit out the poison, you need to taste it yourself first. So whatever you do to another person on the outside, you do to yourself. And that's why giving, that's why, like you say, giving is rewarding. Because if you give to somebody else, you give to yourself. Because the vibration of giving becomes who you are in that little moment. Also, I don't know, like Teal Swan says, if you can't love yourself, love your dog, or love someone else. Because through the act of loving someone else, you will have the vibration of love inside of you, and that's gonna be enough.